In the hustle and bustle of our daily lives, it's all too easy to forget the moments when we felt God's presence and guiding hand. Yet, the book of Deuteronomy offers us a powerful reminder to reflect on and embrace the wisdom that God has graciously bestowed upon us. Deuteronomy 4 verse 9 urges us to remember the times when God has guided and protected us, reminding us of the importance of embracing divine wisdom. Let us take a moment to reflect on the past and uncover the profound lessons hidden within this verse. Reflecting on the past, unveiling God's guiding hand. When we take the time to reflect on our past, we begin to see the fingerprints of God's guidance etched throughout our journey. It may be in the form of seemingly small moments, such as unexpected opportunities or encounters, or significant life-changing events that have shaped our paths. It is often in hindsight that we realize how God's hand was intricately woven into the tapestry of our lives, guiding us towards His purpose for us. By reflecting on the past, we gain a deeper appreciation for God's faithfulness and the ways He has guided us through both smooth and rough waters. We remember the times when we were lost, and He provided a guiding light. We recall the moments of confusion, and He granted us clarity. Reflecting on these divine interventions not only strengthens our faith, but also brings forth a sense of gratitude and humility. It reminds us that we are not alone in our journey. God is always present, ready to offer His guidance and wisdom. Embracing divine wisdom, lessons from Deuteronomy 4 verse 9. Deuteronomy 4 verse 9 implores us to be careful, and watch yourselves closely so that you do not forget the things your eyes have seen or let them fade from your heart as long as you live. This verse serves as a powerful reminder of the importance of embracing and cherishing the divine wisdom bestowed upon us. It encourages us to guard against forgetting the lessons learned from our past encounters with God and to keep them alive in our hearts. Embracing divine wisdom means not only remembering the past, but also actively applying the insights gained to our present and future decisions. It involves seeking God's guidance and aligning our actions with His teachings. When we acknowledge that God's wisdom surpasses our limited understanding, we open ourselves up to His transformative power. Embracing His wisdom allows us to navigate life's challenges with a newfound clarity, strength, and peace. Remembering God's guidance, nurturing spirituality and growth. In our fast-paced lives, it is crucial to carve out moments for reflection and remembrance. Through reflecting on the past and embracing divine wisdom, we nurture our spirituality and foster personal growth. By remembering the times when God's guiding hand was evident, we cultivate a deeper connection with our Creator, strengthening our faith and trust in Him. Let us heed the words of Deuteronomy 4 verse 9 and be intentional in remembering God's guidance. May we be mindful of the lessons learned and actively apply His wisdom in our lives. As we do so, we can rest assured that God will continue to guide and direct our paths, leading us towards a life of purpose, fulfillment, and joy.